Hello everyone, my name is Mark, I'm your driver, and today we are going for a rainy, relaxing therapy drive. The weather is pretty miserable today, so we're not going to be doing anything crazy. These are performance summer tires, and the fronts are starting to go a little bit bald. So we don't want to hydroplane off the road, but we do want to enjoy the beautiful autumn season and just the rainy day vibes. So let's go for a little bit of a country drive. Might hit some roundabouts, some corners, we'll see what happens. But yeah, I'll just let you guys enjoy the drive. I'll stop yapping and I'll just let you enjoy how the car sounds, the rain sounds. We'll get some engine note a little bit later. And yeah, just sit back and relax and enjoy these beautiful fall autumn colors. Okay, it's not a 40 zone. It's misreading the signs. I'm not doing 86 in a 40 zone. These colors are absolutely beautiful. I hope that I'm able to show you with the color grade and everything in post-production. I'm hoping that you guys are able to take this in, because this is really, really beautiful outside, even though it is a bit of a rainy, drizzly day. Just even the cornfields and everything. Everything is just so beautiful right now. And yeah, compared to my other videos, the spirit of driving is going to be pretty tame, I'd say, but honestly, I really couldn't care less. I'm really just here to enjoy the beautiful scenery, enjoy the car, have a little bit of fun, but I'm not here to push it. Again, like I said in the intro, on some pretty bald front tires, so don't want to hydroplane off the road, don't want to understeer into anything, so best just to keep it safe and just keep our admiration high and our crashes low, I think is probably the right way to go. I think we should just keep going straight, because those trees up there are just stunning. Although even if I do just look around right here, God, that is nice. just doing some like little quarter throttle pulls there, letting it rev out and breathe a little bit better so we're not lugging the engine, and we're keeping this B58 in very good health, I think. Oh, look at that yellow, or those oranges, man. Oh, look at that.
Take a moment. Listen to the sounds of the rain. The droplets landing oh so softly. The leaves changing and falling. Each of them unique, just like each and every one of you. Sink deeper into the relaxing sounds of them.
Downshifts are nice and snappy. You get a nice little kick in the back. I really like it. It's an engaging gearbox. And it's just an automatic. That really gives you a kick in the back around 4,500 RPM. I think it's just because it's so far in the meat of the torque band, right in the mid-range there, that after it shifts, the engine just is loaded up. Like, if I even just slow down here in fifth at, like, say, just over 2,000, give it, like, half throttle, like, it just finds speed everywhere. It's really enjoyable. But I think that's effectively going to wrap it up. I'm nice and relaxed. I've had a beautiful drive. Look at those trees. And of course, I have just been a huge fan of these fall colors. Honestly, just a really beautiful day, despite the fact that I'm soaking wet from filming the intro and B-roll. Again, couldn't care less. It is really, really beautiful out. So with that, I think I will see you guys in the next one.